I'm from a high wind area of South Florida, where masonry construction like this is typical. But this is not how most homes are built. So, during my summer vacation, with video gear in tow, I couldn't help but film the process of wood frame construction. Let's take a look. Foundations on grade are similar for both masonry and wood frame construction. Reinforcing steel set in formwork on compacted soil. These foundations were poured higher than the soil to meet minimum flood elevation requirements. In this design, threaded rods were embedded as opposed to reinforcing steel bars in masonry construction. In masonry construction, the steel bars are poured into the walls, whereas the threaded rods in wood frame construction are used to secure the wood bottom plate. Here, the structure walls are hand-framed and nailed together. It's these connections that make all the difference where I'm from to resist wind. Many stronger wood connectors are available. Wood framing typically allows for more detailed designs than masonry, adding charm and style to homes. Wood window and door headers frame openings, as opposed to concrete lintels and beams in masonry construction. The exterior sheathing varies. I saw OSB board, which are small, oriented strands that are glued together with waterproof adhesive and then cured under heat and pressure, as well as plywood. Both of these have to be covered with a waterproofing barrier. Another popular exterior wall sheathing is the all-in-wood wood sheathing and waterproofing barrier like these zip framing systems. The different colors of the zip systems are different sheathing thicknesses. That's specified by the designer or upgraded by the homeowner for stronger construction. Wood roofs here are hand-framed as opposed to pre-engineered wood trusses in higher wind areas. The construction of these rafters are critical in high wind areas. It's something I didn't notice an emphasis on here. Windows and doors are anchored to the wood framing, and houses are cladded with siding and trim. There's more to be explored and improved upon, seeing how popular this method of construction is and how critical these homes are to be adequately framed. It looks like my work isn't done here, and good thing because it's a beautiful setting to build in. Watch more videos like this at engineeringplans.com/build.